Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Hootsuite account settings, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Hootsuite account settings, start by logging into your Hootsuite account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on your profile picture to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. In the Account and Settings menu, look for the Security tab on the left side. Click on the Security tab to access your security settings. Scroll down to find the Reset Account option. Click on Reset Account to initiate the reset process. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to reset your account settings. Read the warning message carefully, as resetting will erase your current settings. If you're sure, click on the Confirm button. Once confirmed, your Hootsuite account settings will be reset to the default configuration. After the reset, you may need to reconfigure your settings according to your preferences. To do this, return to the Account and Settings menu. From there, you can adjust your settings, such as social media accounts and notification preferences. Make sure to review each section carefully to customize your experience. Once you have reconfigured your settings, your account will be ready to use. If you encounter any issues during the reset process, refer to Hootsuite's Help Center for additional support. Now you have successfully reset your Hootsuite account settings. Enjoy a fresh start with your social media management tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.